I'd like to show you the idea of gift wrapping using two types of paper. Paper size, bottom is 2/3 of the height of the box and top is a little longer. Make sure the paper covers the box. Fold it a little at this right end for a clean edge. Second paper size, the width is a little larger than the top. The length should be a little longer than the main paper. Tape it down to secure. Place the box, then the right edge of paper in the center of the box. Make a crease in the right corner. Remove the box and fold it at the crease mark. Tape to secure the placement of the paper. Put the box back. Then continue with the same steps for all 4 corners, one by one. Fold 2 sheets of paper together in parallel. After folding all 4 corners, then place the box back in the center. Overlap the paper and cut off the excess part of the left edge of the main paper. Then cut the second piece of paper a little longer than the main paper. Place the box on the paper like this, covering the bottom 2/3. Put double-sided tape on the right edge and close it tightly. Adjust the position of the box. To close the bottom of the box, fold down the top and fold in the end both sides. Make sure you have nice clean finishes. Pull up the bottom clip and close with the double-sided tape. Make it stand and push down the box. Then make sharp creases in every corner. Align this line on the back with this line on the front, and align the other side in the same way. Then fold it like a brown paper bag. Apply double-sided tape to the seam and close. Fold it back and forth in the center. Open both sides and put them together. Fold this back and forth as well. This will make later steps easier. Reopen both sides and put it back in its original position. Fold it back and forth again, then crease at the corner. Cut off the top with a crease. Align this edge with this corner and this edge with this corner. Then slowly open the top according to the natural flow. Fully open the top while making clean corners. Let's wrap a ribbon. This is the back and this is the front. At the right end of the ribbon, make one loop and the tail. Place the point in the center of the box and release the right side of the ribbon. Wrap the longer end ribbon forward, turn around it back and then up. Cross the shorter end across the ribbon from left to right, then pull it out to the upper right corner. Make one loop with a long end ribbon. Tuck the shorter end ribbon into the hole, then pull it out. Tighten the bow by pulling the bottom on the right and the top on the left. Then trim the tails. This is front and back and top. I hope you like it. When the recipient opens the gift, it's easy to open. Let's wrap a rectangular box. Place the box like this. The bottom is covered by 2/3 and top is a little longer. And make sure paper covers the box. First, fold the right end a little. Place a second piece of paper in the same way as a square box. After tape them, put back the box, place the right edge in the center of the box, then crease at the corner. Make creases in the same way as a square box. Continue the same steps for all 4 corners. After making creases in all 4 corners, replace the box and cut off the excess on the left edge of the paper the same way with the square box. Close the back with a double-sided tape tightly. After adjusting the position of the box, close the bottom of the box in the same way as a square box. But only at the end. Fold a little at the tip of the bottom flip. Then close it with double-sided tape. Make it stand, then align the edges in the same way as a square box. Continue the same steps as for the square box. For rectangular box, cut off the excess at the top before opening both sides. After cut the top, then open both sides. Open the top slowly like this and align this edge with this corner. Do the same for the other side and open the top completely. Then add a ribbon bow in the same way as the square box. Thin paper is recommended, but any paper can be combined as you like.